Dear students, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rana. Hope you all are doing great. But before I start the video, you have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new video. Student, thanks for your lovely comments. But for any query, you can write in the comment box. I will reply shortly. Student, in the previous tutorial, I have discussed about the use of AI in everyday life. Now in today's tutorial, I am going to discuss with you the applications of AI and future trends. Okay. So in this, the first sector which I am going to discuss is banking sector. As you all know, student, to keep our money safe, we need banks. So the banking sector is also using AI to update themselves as well as to apply different technologies. Okay, like robotics. Robots can act as a virtual assistant, personal advisor, bank advisor, and they can help the customers. They can keep eye on the different activities with the help of computer vision. Language processing, with the help of machine learning, it is possible to attend the customer with different language. Like a machine, different language can be feed in a machine, and machine can easily interact with the people of different language and give answer to their query. Virtual agents are there 24 by 7. They can work with the help of AI. Machine learning is very helpful in banking sector with the help of this, like encryption, decryptions feature are there, fraud can be checked, and in the risk management, security, different fields are there where machine learning is helpful. Now the another one is business. In the business sector also, AI has bring a revolution. Okay, AI can help in systematic and control growth for business with accurate business solution. Like expert system is there, they can easily understand the customer demands, easily go through the queries. They can plan properly. Language processing is there, and with the help of this, in different implementation and new things can be possible in the field of business also. The another sector is entertainment. Student, in entertainment field also, AI, use of AI is very important. Like in the implementation of 3D games, 3D games are there which looks like real image, real impact is there of this game. VR boxes are there with the virtual reality boxes are there. For that particular time, a person is wearing VR box, it seems like that the person in that world only. Okay, so it is given the real impact, although it is not real, it is virtual. In movies like Terminator, iRobot, etc., the use of AI is there. Like you can see this robot with the help of AI technology, it is possible. Now the next sector is transportation. Student, in transportation also, autonomous cars, remote control vehicles, sensor cars are there nowadays. Without driver, the car can move. Uh, like for example, these type of cars having sensors. Human detective sensor is also there. Like if suddenly somebody arrives in front of the autonomous car, it will stop automatically, and when the person will move, then it will again start. So the development of autonomous vehicle definitely revolutionize the transportation system. The AI system collects data from the vehicle's radar, camera, GPS service to protect and control the signals. So many companies are there like Waymo cars, Tesla, self-driving cars, which are bringing new cars in that field. Now the very important sector, education and training. Student, in education and training sector also, robotic is playing very important role. It, because of AI technology, personalized learning is possible. Okay, uh, can focus on each child by personalized teaching and many more. Online learning is possible. Different apps are there, due to which if the child is not able to present physically, then also the learning can be possible. It is helpful in the analysis of students, their behavior. Okay, and many educational institutes like applying AI to make learning more comfortable for student by customizing the learning material. Now the next sector is healthcare. Student, in the medical science also, AI is playing very important role. From disease protection, diagnosis, and robotic surgery, AI has already been helping doctors and researchers. AI helping in drug research and their development also. Student, in COVID-19, you all know this world nowadays, we all are suffering from this. Most of the countries in the world are suffering from COVID-19 pandemic. So in the COVID-19 also, research, identifying patient, development of vaccine, it is playing important role. In COVID-19 research, AI is playing a very important role. Machine learning being used to detect the outbreak of the deadly COVID-19. Machine learning helpful in identifying people having high risk, and also being used to develop medical solution for COVID-19 virus. Okay, and in the development of COVID-19 vaccine also. Student, in real life also, we can take the real life example in AI sector, like international humanoid Sophia. It is a full-fledged humanoid Sophia. It is an international robot. And student, you know that Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong based company Hanson Robotics and the national humanoid Vyomitra. Vyomitra is a female looking space faring humanoid robot being developed by ISRO. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.